Hi, this is Damon Gettier with Damon Gettier and Associates Realtors. I want to thank you for visiting our video blog. Today we're going to answer the question of, do home buyers have specific rights? And before we get into that, two features of the site I want to point out. First is the home valuation site. And if you have any interest in knowing what your home's worth or you're thinking about selling it, feel free to click on that, find out the value of your home. And then also we have the MLS search, or the search all homes button. And there you can search the inventory, see what's on the market, and get a better idea of what's out there. Many buyers want to know if they have any specific rights. And really and truly, what I would tell a buyer, if you're looking for specific rights, if you're looking to be protected in something, then you really need to write it into a contract. Because what the government's going to protect you from is discrimination. Age, sex, marital status, religion, race. That's what's going to be protected by the government. Other than that, like Virginia is what's called it's caveat emptor, it's a buyer beware state, which means the seller does not have to disclose anything to you. What they have to do is not conceal. So if there's a structural problem, they can't build a wall to hide the structural problem, but they could build a wall to support the structural problem, which in essence would hide it also. And so that's why we always, on all these series, I always talk about the value of a home inspection, and it's because that's the only real insurance you have before you purchase a home, to see what the construction status is of that home. And so I always recommend it. But if you're ever worried about a right or protection, then you need to write it into the contract. If you ever have a worry, you'll say, well, if this happens, I don't want to buy the house, you need to write it in the contract. Because telling your agent, telling the other agent, telling the seller those things does not matter if buyer and seller have not agreed in writing. So as always, in any contract, if you have a question or a concern, put it on paper and get agreement by all parties. Again, I want to thank you for visiting our site. Until next time, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, email me, be happy to answer them for you. Thanks.